Let's all get to know you. Anthony, taga saan ka?
Originally from Kamuning, Quezon City.
All right.
Now I'm in San Jose. So welcome.
Welcome. Si Anthony is a biochemist. So we have a singer, we have a dancer. Lee, you all know Lee, former celebrity from back in the Philippines.
Hello, JP, thank you. Adobo Nations, thank you for having us here, and we're just so pumped and excited to just be part of the family.
Okay.
Yeah.
Barkada. Family, barkada. Julius. May napakasikat na Julius sa ABS-CBN, pero ikaw ang next na Julius.
Tama. Maraming salamat. Ako po si Julius Santos, tubong Maragondon, Cavite. Nagpunta dito sa Amerika, ngayon taga Santa Clara, California.
Ano sa beauty pageant? Okay. Suzette.
Okay, I'm from Pasig City. I moved here a year ago. I'm proud Tomasino.
Tomasino.
Yes, of course. I have a bachelor's degree in communication arts and shopping.
All right. Honors class ka sa shopping, di ba?
Master's of shopping.
Master's, PhD.
We're getting there.
And lastly, ang aming resident singer, folks, let's welcome Tansu.
That's how we do it. Because I'm from Zimbabwe originally.
Talaga.
Hindi, biro lang.
Kala ko
Zimbabwe sa Cebu.
Zimbabwe sa Cebu. Okay.
Ay, mga Bisaya di ang taon. Sus, ayun taon. Salamat ang taon. Huwag tayo nawanin kuan. Kanang siyo. Oh, are we talking to you?
Very good. Yeah, we all understood. Thank you.
Very well said.
It's great to have all you guys here.
This is awesome.
It's awesome,
I'm
especially
so
that now everybody's here. And how does it feel that barkada na tayo dito sa show? Does it feel any different na
Different. It's different from my tribe.
from your
Yeah.
side? Okay, you missed
Totally
it.
different.
Sure.
Totally different.
Okay, well, the Tambayan already feels upbeat with all this new energy on the show. So, mga Ka-Nation will be seeing more of these guys in the weeks to come. Okay, isasabak na namin kayo, ha? Game? Ready?
Yes.
Who will lead us to our first patigim? Julius and Suzette, go!
Siyempre, umpisa pa lamang to, kaya marami pang adobong nakahanda. Ito muna ang aming patikim.
Miss O